finally boxed. All set, ready to race, race number 7. A final race for the night here at Santana Park. Let's get started. We have go. Marty Go throws for the early lead, followed over by Batang Alastre. King Washkoto is running by, followed by Hakobos Magic and fourth. Running at the outside, fifth blow by. Then comes the Grey Galloper, Brave Galloper, then followed over by number 6, Tabing Ilog, Undercover, Morning Time, Dimakia Island, and Sangat Island is the early trailer. Traveling towards the 600, solo leader, go! Marty Go by about 3 lengths of Batang Alastre in second, moving up Hakobos Magic now from the outside, shuffle back to fourth, King Washkoto, Tabing Ilog also closing in low by as they turn for home with Go Marty Go by only a length and a half. Here comes Hakobos Magic now from the outside, Go Marty Go still in front, Hakobos Magic, Tabing Ilog, Batang Alastre running by the trail, but it's still Go Marty Go, Hakobos Magic, now right outside, Hakobos Magic, leveling up, moving up, and winning this final race, followed by Go Marty Go, Tabing Ilog, Batang Alastre, low by, Undercover, Sangat Island, number 1, King Washkoto, Dimakia Island, Morning Time, and Brave Galloper.
Okay, 296 from first to third, maliwanag. Here in race number 7, top choice.